Are you looking for a budget-friendly tripod stand for your remote meetings, presentations, YouTube videos, Instagram and TikTok reels? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hello, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuella and this is Youngnaijamum. On here I talk about my faith, my family and my lifestyle as a young married lady living in Lagos, Nigeria. If you are new here, please click the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know the next time I put up a video. I got yet another product from Jumia. It's been over a year. I promised to give a review of my tripod stand, but I've been using the tripod stand for a while now. It has not failed me yet. Please bear with me and enjoy the video. So I saw the tripod stand at the rate of 6,480 naira on the Jumia website and I ordered it. A few days later, the delivery man called me to come for it. In fact, the delivery was done in the night and I was so excited to have it and to go through the tripod stand that I didn't wait for daylight. That is why you are seeing that. If you notice that in this video, you see that it was quite dark, and of course I had not set up my ring light and everything. I was just opening it with a night light. My excitement at receiving this package was actually over the top, and I wish I could have recorded my reaction on receiving the package. My husband literally had to beg me to wait till daylight. But Emmanuella wouldn't have that because I was much more interested in seeing what was in the package right there and then. So also I would like to give kudos to Jumia for the way they packed the ring light and tripod stand. As you can see, I was really struggling hard to open the package, and I believe they did this to make sure that the package remains in a perfect position before it gets to its final destination.
Behold the tripod stand in its full glory. This is the position of the tripod stand when it's in working condition.
Thanks for watching this video to the very end. If you really enjoyed the video and you learned a little thing from it, please click the thumbs up button. I really appreciate that. You can also share this video with your friends and family or any other person you think might benefit from this video. And see you in the next one. Bye.